Hey, dude, we gotta get going. Time to watch Thanos get his butt kicked.
Nah, just hang on. I need to finish this level.
Oh, what is that?
FarmTown. It's actually pretty awesome. I'm operating an actual dairy farm and getting paid cash for my milk.
What are you doing there?
Putting on this long plastic glove so I can insert my arm into the anus of this cow so I can then slide in some fertilized eggs. Boom! Pregnant. Oh, and now look! Her calf is born. Oh.
Well, that's kind of cute. Wait, what the hell are you doing now?
Well, I've got to take her baby away. He's drinking all of her milk. Just gonna drag him over here. Done. Locked away until the meat man comes to pay.
What?
Well, now, to get to milking his mama. This is the fun part. Look at all that milk. Awesome. Damn.
What now?
Well, now I have surplus. I've milked too much and no one's buying it. So I'm stuck with gallons and gallons of milk. But not to worry. Here comes the government with their subsidies. And cha-ching. Payday. Next level.
What are you doing now?
Duh. I'm putting on the long plastic glove again. I can't stop now. Get over here, Bessie. You know what? Just go to the movie without me.